We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to determine if your Lexmark MS810 printer's cartridge is empty. The first step is printing a test page. This allows you to assess the appearance of your cartridge and gather valuable information about your printer. Here are steps to print this page. Alright, you're going to press the downward arrow to go to the settings, hit OK, go down to reports, hit OK, down to device statistics, hit OK, and there you go. Alright, once your device prints this out, you're going to go to the second page here where it says supply information. It's going to tell you your cartridge information. If this is going to be below 30%, you're going to want to change your cartridge. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.